I'm Yuna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious Korean dish called Japchae or Chapte. I never know how to correctly pronounce it in English. In Korean it's Japchae. So it looks very colorful, right? And it's a very healthy dish. So first thing we have is our sweet potato noodles. Sweet potato vermicelli. So you can easily find this at any Asian's grocery store. And it's very hard, so make sure that you go ahead and put this in water. I mean, ideally warm water, so that it has enough time to soak and like soften up a little bit. It's still hard, it's still not edible, so we have to cook this. So let's go ahead and chop up our vegetables first. And what do we have right now? All right, we got a lot of colors going on right now. So I don't know how much pepper I will need, but about half of that. And then our second one, there's no order to it, I'm just saying it as I go. About a quarter onion. Everything is just slicing it. You don't have to like do fancy cutting skills to make this dish. So I have that here. And then lastly, our spinach. Please wash your vegetables. Move that over here. And then that is it. And then this one also will go in towards the end. But I'll just roughly chop this for extra flavor later. So first thing, well, before I delve my hands in there, drizzle some oil, generous amount, and we're going to cook our carrots right away. Whoa! Carrots and peppers, because it's just so delicious with peppers. So over here, while the vegetables are cooking, we're gonna also throw in our meat. So this is steak, but what kind of steak you're asking? So it's basically, I think it's sirloin, it doesn't say. But at a regular grocery store, just ask the butcher or the guy behind, right there, called butchers. So I got about a quarter pound of beef here. Oh my gosh, it's gonna smell so good. So of course, season our everything with salt and pepper. So while meat is like slightly still pink and the vegetables are cooking nicely, in the middle, I'm going to create some room and add in our noodles. Whoa, okay. And we're gonna definitely cook our noodles. Yeah. And now, there's like no really rule behind this. Just add in the next vegetable, which is gonna be onions. Just know that the spinach will go in very end. Oh, we got some garlic to chop. We might want to turn down our heat. Noodles actually cook pretty fast. So look at that, it's already. So what I like to do is I actually like to cut this with scissors, so nobody is choking on this dish. It's very starchy, as you can see. So lower your heat. Yeah, definitely adjust your heat as you go. Just go ahead and add your garlic. Couple cloves in there. Now you're gonna smell this very familiar Asian smell. Oh yeah, we cannot forget about our spinach, right guys? Wow, I need a bigger cutting board already. So I have 1 tablespoon all across, and then about a half tablespoon of the sesame oil that goes in And we have Mirren, which is a sweet cooking rice wine. I love working with this, guys. So we have about a tablespoon of that. And this is the balm, honey. So about a tablespoon of that. So now everything's mixed in, all the seasoning. You're gonna start to smell this. Like in 2 seconds. Yes, it's perfect. This is it. So we turn off our heat and it's time to serve our food. So just under 10 minutes, I was able to make this japchae. It's gluten-free stir fry, basically. Yeah, japchae is the most famous, one of the most famous Korean food, and it's readily available in the streets. Super delicious, and it's easy, and it's gluten-free, and it's just so healthy. You see all kinds of vegetables here, so you can put any protein that you want. Tofu, chicken, I have steak here. So all you have to do is just dice up vegetables, throw in the sauce. It's a true one-pan deliciousness, okay? Every Tuesday, I upload a new video with a new recipe, and it's all kinds of different cuisines. Today I made Korean. Last week I made red velvet pop cakes, or next week I'm gonna make something else. So you make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for me. And on Instagram, if we're not connected, I'm at YunaCooks, just like my name. So let's become friends, and thank you for watching.